Hi friends, welcome back to GodOFGizmos. My name is Satish Kumar Purswani. Today I am going to tell you how to cast your mobile screen onto your Windows 10 machine without using any third-party softwares. So lately I have been posting all the programming related videos on my channel, but this channel is about all other technical things as well. So without wasting much time, let's begin. So before starting with the video, what I will do is I will show you what Windows version I have been using. So I will just go to my computer and I will go to properties so that you get to know what version I am using. Okay. So I've been using Windows 10 Enterprise version. Okay. And I will close this window for you and I will directly go to start menu and I will type projection settings. Once you are into projection settings, you will see there's an option to actually cast mobile phone onto your Windows screen. Okay, but for that you will have to add one extra software or additional feature that is not included with the Windows. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to click on this optional features and you will have to add wireless display optional feature that is available with Windows right now. So I will click on this optional features, and before actually installing I will show you that it is not installed right now, and that is why these options are not enabled on my system. So I will go to optional features, I will click on add a feature and I will click on wireless display. So as you can see, this is just 1.06 MB and I will click on, I've marked this and I will just click on install. So I'll pause this video over here. If you are enjoying my video, please give a thumbs up to my video, and I will be resuming this video once this installation is completed. So we can see this is installed on my system now with 2.32 MB, and this is today's date, installation date. Okay, and I will go back, and as you can see, these second. So this is asking me to restart my machine. Okay, to finish the installation. So I will be restarting my machine. As soon as I restarted my machine, I will be telling you what needs to be done next. So friends, my machine has rebooted now and it took about 30 minutes to reboot. I don't know why it took so long, but I feel there were multiple updates pending and were in pipeline. So I think it all got together installed. So let's continue on our video. That is, we will now go to optional features and see if our wireless display is installed or not. And what I will do is I will just type wireless display. So yes, as you can see, wireless display, we can see that, and it is installed with 2.32 MB and today's date is there. Okay, now what we'll do is we will close this and we will again go to projection settings. Okay, so in projection settings, you can see now these options are enabled. Okay, and depending upon your choice you can configure these options, but I will always recommend you to use available everywhere on secure network, so that no one else from other network can connect to your network. And you can ask to project to this PC, you can keep it first time or depending upon every connection. So for now I will just keep it first time only, and I will always recommend you to use this feature which will ask for pin. So for now I will keep it to first time, but I would recommend you to use it as always. Okay, and once this is configured, what you have to do is you have to click on this launch the connect app to project to this PC. Okay, I will click on this, and as soon as that app is launched you have to go to your mobile phone. Okay, in the mobile phone what you have to do is you have to actually start, you have to go into your mobile settings. Okay, in the mobile settings you will have to go to your screencasting. Okay, I will just click on connect and sharing, and I can see the first option, that is cast option over here, and I will click on that. As soon as I will click on that, I will start that and I will say turn on. Okay, now it is searching for the displays that are available on the same network, wireless displays. So my laptop is available. I will be getting the name of that laptop over here in the list. So as you can see, I'm able to see the laptop name now on my mobile phone. I will click on it, and then there is I guess there will be a password. Okay, so it has not asked me password as of now. So as you can see, my screen is casted over there, and you can see my screen on my laptop as well. Okay, and I will just go back, go to my home page, and you will be able to see the screen is getting casted. Okay, I feel there is some connection issue. We'll wait for a second. Okay, so this is the connect app. So yes, you can see now my mobile is synced with my laptop. Maybe this is a little slow because I'm currently recording both the screens. One is on my mobile phone and one is on my laptop. So that's why. And you can see I can scroll freely on my mobile phone as well as on my laptop. So if you want to stop sharing your screen, you have to go to your casting settings, and I will just say stop casting. So my mobile phone casting is stopped, and as you can see on my laptop as well, the casting is stopped. Okay, in the projection settings, I would recommend you to actually switch this off, switch this searchable button off, and actually make it to always off. Okay, whenever you want, you can go and switch on this feature and use it. Otherwise keep it off, so that it will help you to reduce the internal traffic on your internal Wi-Fi network. So this will help you in speeding up other applications. So hope you have enjoyed what I have shown, and if you have liked this video, please give a thumbs up to my video, share it with your friends, and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.